Indonesian rescuers have evacuated the body of the Indonesian hiker who was among the 3 people reported missing after Mount Dukono erupted on Friday. The other 2 hikers are Singaporeans. Some 100 personnel from the military and police were deployed for search operations around the crater, but it has been difficult due to the extreme terrain and continued eruption. 20 hikers were on the slope when the incident took place. 17 people have since been evacuated, including 7 Singaporeans and 10 Indonesian. The local government has prohibited climbing to Mount Dukono summit since 2024 due to frequent eruptions. The volcanology agency is maintaining the third highest alert level for Mount Dukono. Indonesian police are investigating possible negligence by a tour company that provided services for the 20 hikers. And for more, CNA's Chandni Vatvani is joining us live from the Rescue Command Center in Tobelo, Indonesia. Chandni, we understand that the body of the Indonesian national has been evacuated. What do we know so far?
That's right. Authorities earlier this evening successfully descended the volcano along with the body of the Indonesian national. Now, her body will be processed at the local hospital. The body was found buried in volcanic ash, some 150 meters from the remaining 2 bodies of the Singaporeans. And this is day 2 of the evacuation process, and where the terrain has been quite challenging for rescuers. Take a listen.
Tantangan terbesar kami tim SAR gabungan berlomba-lomba ya dengan situasi dan kondisi erupsi yang sampai saat ini masih terus terjadi dengan interval 30 menit sampai 60 menit. Selain itu juga cuaca, hujan, ya tadi juga sempat terjadi banjir yang mengakibatkan kesulitan dalam proses pelaksanaan evakuasi.
Chandni, what can we expect from search and rescue efforts to evacuate the bodies of the 2 Singaporeans?
Well, efforts will continue to evacuate the bodies of the remaining 2 Singaporeans. Previously, authorities did say that they have already located where the bodies are at, and it is located some 20 to 30 meters from the main crater of the volcano, but they have been unable to evacuate those bodies so far because they are having to combat very difficult terrain and on-the-ground conditions. Having said that, officials are absolutely determined to get the right strategy to overcome all of these challenges. Take a listen.
Untuk rencana kita, besok kita akan melakukan evakuasi untuk kedua orang yang lain bersama-sama. Ya, bergabungan dengan kawan-kawan Basarnas, Bupati dan sebagainya. Hanya kita atur strategi yang benar. Persoalannya menuju ke sana itu medannya juga cukup terjal dan resikonya juga cukup besar. Perjalanan kurang lebih 8 jam. 8 jam dan di sana ada 2 titik, tinggal 2 mayat lagi yang ada di sana. Makanya kita harus atur benar. Jangan sampai mereka pada saat menolong akan berdampak yang negatif.
Now, Sunday will be day 3 of the evacuation efforts. According to the SOP, they will conduct these efforts for 7 days, after which they will reassess the situation, and they potentially could extend that time period again, depending on their assessment.
All right, thanks for that update. CNA's Chandni Vatvani reporting live from Tobelo, Indonesia.